Hi, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. I'm at the Caesars Bacchanal Buffet. It is Thursday, July the 1st of 2021, and I want to talk a little bit about what's changed since they've reopened and remodeled and show you all the great menu items. First thing you need to know, for right now it's reservations only, and you can see a long line behind me. What that means is you probably need to get here ahead of your reservation time. It's not real well managed at the front end. You kind of have to fight to get to the check-in person who lets you into the formal line. But once you're seated, it's great. It's very similar to what it has always been. You've got a huge fresh seafood section that was very, very good. We've just completed our meal. Many of the stations are still doing these small individual plates. They have grilled vegetables over there and some sausages. You go into the meat carving section. I very much don't want to interrupt anybody's dinner here, but they have the grilled tri-tip, the prime rib, the American Wagyu steamship, and of course the carved pork belly. Coming around, this station is one of my very favorites. They've got all sorts of carved meats, including interesting options like quail and duck wings. There's some more grilled vegetables and salads. We're now coming around on to the Mexican section of the station. They've got pozole, they've got the arroz yucatan, some birria, and some really interesting things they're doing with duck, like the duck carnitas tacos. Also, the al pastor tacos are very, very good. Looking around, the decor is very, very similar. I'm honestly not sure what it is they remodeled while they were shut down. It's beautiful. I love it. It's just, it looks kind of like it always did. More on the Mexican station. Lots of these places are serving lots of these stations are serving individual plates and dishes. The kind of sort of vaguely Italian station, including some crispy fried polenta that was very, very good. The pizza and pasta is still there. We didn't try that this time. The Mediterranean section, which was fuller earlier, but it looks like a lot of folks have just been through. A charcuterie section that is just lights out, right? Any sort of meat and cheese or accoutrement that you can want. We didn't get a chance to try these dishes, but again, going with the individual plate theme. Now, not everything is individual plates. Here at this salad station, we would serve it as normal with the plates, which are kept down there. We're now coming back into the Asian section. Most of us in my group went to the Asian soup station, which is right here. And it was particularly good. I enjoyed the vegetable butter curry as well. Going back around, this is the area which had previously been Asian dim sum. They took out some of the dim sum items, but the things they replaced it with I like very, very much. For example, the Chinese roasted pork belly was very good. I was a big fan of the crispy beef. They, of course, have rice. They have other things. Hold on just a second. I want to get a shot of the crispy beef. So I'm going to walk back over to the dessert station, talk about one of the things which has changed. They've now got tableside service out of carts, and they have two different things. One of the things they have is a lobster bisque, which was very, very good. They also today had some mixed dim sum. One of them was a pork and shrimp dumpling. The other was a steamed shrimp dumpling. So that was a nice addition, although I think I would have preferred it to just be able to go and grab those dim sum items off of the buffet. Coming back around the Mexican section, they had the aguas frescas, which one of my friends enjoyed very much. The dessert station is right in the same place it's always been. And it was massively crowded just a minute ago. Let's see if I can get in. Any option you could want. Made-to-order crepes, which one of my friends had that were fantastic. Those red apples look great. I just can't possibly eat anything else right now. And then finally, back there, in addition to the individual puddings, you have an ice cream station. So again, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. I'm here in the Caesars Bacchanal Buffet on Thursday, July the 1st, 2021. It is fantastic. You've got to make reservations. You've got to plan in advance because the lines just aren't handled very well. And make a plan for what you want to eat because it's fantastic. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please like it and subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great day.